This video is sponsored by Ridge Wallet.
Oh my gosh, that was sexy as f. What's going on, guys? It's Kate from Beyond the Box, back with another video. If you guys have watched the channel for a while, you already know that something's different. Today's a special day and today's a special video. I'm not wearing a hat, which is very odd for me. Don't get used to it, it's not gonna happen that often. Speaking of often, with that said, we're giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and we're getting pretty close. So if you guys wanna win it, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys wanna win a PS5 at 30,000 subscribers, then hit that bell icon because we're gonna be giving both away. So make sure you got my notifications on so you're alerted to all my videos, because once we hit those marks, we're gonna be giving these bad boys away in the description below. It's gonna be the first link, maybe the second link, we don't know. Today we're taking a look at the Gravastar Mars Pro. This is a portable wireless, true wireless speaker, stereo, if you wanna call it that. You guys might have seen these pop up on your ads on YouTube and Google and all that fun stuff. This is a super cool product. Gravastar reached out to me and they said they wanted me to show my channel what the Gravastar Mars Pro was. And I was excited because this is a really cool item. If you guys haven't seen it before, let your minds prepare to be blown. Look at that unboxing. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. Holy crap, this thing weighs over 7 pounds. And wow, this might be the heaviest dope speaker I've ever seen. There was a hair stuck to it or something.
This video is sponsored by Ridge Wallet.
Sometimes I have to carry this thing in my front pocket because it's just too fat and I don't want to be sitting on it and it feels uncomfortable. You guys understand what I'm talking about. Sometimes you don't want a super extremely fat wallet. You want to streamline everything and have a flat wallet. That's where Ridge Wallet comes in. It's a super slim design that's going to streamline all your cards and your cash inside your wallet, and it's going to turn it super thin. I just filled up my Ridge Wallet for the very first time, guys. By the way, this is a nice, sexy carbon fiber finish. You got a budget option if you want, or you can go more high-end and get a nice carbon fiber option like this. They do also have plenty of other colors on their website. This is a gunmetal gray option, I believe. Super sexy, just depends on what you're interested in. Very nice for Father's Day. Both options are very sexy, very unique. And if you guys want a discount at checkout, you guys can use my discount code BEYOND for 15% off at checkout. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check the link below. But there's a hair stuck to it because every single speaker that you see is custom painted. So you're not gonna see the exact same markings on any particular speaker. Now they have tons of different options on their website. I believe this one is the battle damaged yellow version. They have like so many options on the website. This one ranges from $330, but they have a lot of cheaper options, somewhere between the $200 range. Just for the aesthetic alone, this thing looks pretty sick, guys. Comes with the manual and all that as well. We'll see if we need that. I believe that's all in the box. So it comes with a USB-C to USB port. So if you want to plug it into a computer or something like that. And it does come with a 3.5 jack to USB Type-C. So you can plug it into other speakers. Speaking of this speaker, it's a true wireless stereo speaker, which means you can connect two of these bad boys up to each other for stereo sound. If you want to put one in one corner and one in the other, you have practically surround sound at that point. But so you can connect two at the same time, connect them off the same phone and make them work and play the same song. That's awesome. This works with Bluetooth 5.0, and this body is not made of plastic. It's made of like metal. It's made of a zinc alloy, which is pretty drop absorbent. And say if you drop it on the ground, you're not gonna do much damage to it. If you added any damage to this thing, it would probably look like what was supposed to be there. It's so sick. This aesthetic is awesome. Definitely not something I probably would have picked up without having the company reach out to me, because it doesn't really fit with my aesthetic of my apartment, but it's sick nonetheless. It reminds me of Bumblebee from the Transformers movie. It looks like we got one of Bumblebee's eyes on our speakers. It's sick. So at the top is actually the volume controls right there. So we're gonna power it on for the first time. Oh my gosh, that was sexy as f. What the hell? Dude, that is awesome. It's literally a freaking Transformer eyeball. I feel like I own Bumblebee's eyeball right now. Let's try to pair it with our iPhone quickly. Gravastar Mars Pro pops up quickly. Bluetooth connected. You get the Bluetooth button on the far right. You have the on button, and it looks like that's possibly an off button. Oh, that's the play button. What is this? Ooh, this button changes the LEDs on the front and on the legs. So there's a button that literally lets you change the colors, and I like that you can select each LED color that you want. There is a breathing option if you want something that changes to multiple different colors. I like the idea that it stays on one consistent color. This blue looks pretty sick, honestly, not gonna lie. The only thing I can say about this, guys, is that it does not come with a wall adapter, so you're gonna have to supply one of those for yourself. Let's see, the volume controls up here. Let's get some music going that's not going to give me a copyright strike. Oh wow, look. The sliding is pretty cool. Not sure how accurate it is, but the slide is a cool feature. I'd probably just use my phone anyway. Oh! Look at the subwoofer in the back, guys. That's sick. This thing gets pretty loud.
Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it, they pay me to show you I do it again. Huh? Yeah.
So the sound is great. Hip hop is awesome on here. The bass is pretty good. I do wish it could output a little bit more bass, but I'm not gonna complain about it because this is a super freaking cool speaker. It gets really loud. And with that said, it's an 800 milliamp hour battery, and that's gonna give you around 15 hours of listening back time. And this is a portable speaker, as I said, so you can have more than enough time to play music whenever you take it out of the house. You wanna take it to a party, show your friends, have this be your speaker at the party. People are gonna ask you tons of questions, gonna ask you where you got it from. People are gonna love this. It's such a cool item.
Suit out the car, no lovey-dovey. These bitches, they looking for hubby.
This is a freaking great speaker. I love the aesthetic, super cool. Depends on your price point, what you think about a $330 speaker, but like I said, there are cheaper options on the website. When are you gonna find a speaker that looks like this again? I love the fact that it looks like a freaking transformer, and I love the battle damage yellow. It was my favorite option. I was like, definitely I want a yellow one. Yeah, guys, who doesn't like a speaker with LEDs inside and like amazing quality and looks super cool? Perfect for any kid in your life, that's for sure. Perfect for kids going away to college. Father's Day is coming up. Maybe a man in your life would like a speaker that reminds him of Transformers. It definitely reminds me of Transformers. I love Bumblebee. This reminds me exactly of that guy. But with that said, guys, we're giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, as I already mentioned, and we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So if you guys have watched the whole video and did not subscribe, what are you doing? It's free. And if you don't like the content, you can always unsubscribe in the future. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this speaker. I think this is a pretty cool speaker. One of the coolest ones I've seen in a long time, maybe probably ever. Not being biased, this is just super cool. I highly encourage you guys to check it out. Link's gonna be in the description below. But with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.